In a reactive world, emotional control is power, but control means nothing if you don't respect yourself. Self-respect is often misunderstood. People think it's confidence or ego or attitude, but self-respect is none of those. Self-respect is how you treat yourself when no one is watching. The invisible standard. Every person has an internal standard. What they tolerate, what they accept, what they allow, and that standard shapes their life. Not what they say, not what they post, but what they allow. The silent signals. Self-respect is not announced. It is shown in small decisions. What you say yes to, what you say no to, what you ignore, what you respond to. These small choices send signals to others and to yourself. The internal effect. When you ignore your own standards, something changes internally. You lose trust in yourself. You lose trust in yourself because your actions don't match your values, and that creates conflict. But when you act with clarity, your mind becomes stable because your actions are aligned. The role of boundaries. Boundaries are the structure of self-respect. They define your limits, not for others, for you. What you allow, what you don't. And boundaries are not words, they are behavior. The cost of low self-respect. When self-respect is low, patterns appear: over-explaining, seeking approval, staying in situations too long, accepting behavior that feels wrong, not because you don't see it, but because you don't act on it. And each time that happens, your internal standard lowers. The fear of discomfort. Many people avoid self-respect because it creates discomfort. Saying no feels uncomfortable. Walking away feels uncomfortable. Being misunderstood feels uncomfortable. So they choose comfort over clarity. But comfort in the moment creates problems in the future. Emotional discipline and self-respect. Self-respect requires discipline, the ability to act correctly, even when it feels uncomfortable, to stay calm when tested, to remain consistent under pressure, because consistency builds identity. The AME.X perspective. Within the AME.X mindset, self-respect is not about controlling others. It is about controlling yourself, your responses, your decisions, your standards. You don't demand respect. You demonstrate it through behavior. The power of walking away. One of the strongest forms of self-respect is the ability to leave, not out of anger, not out of ego, but out of clarity. Clarity that your standards are not being met and that your energy is better used elsewhere and that your energy is better used elsewhere. The shift. When self-respect increases, everything changes. Your decisions become clearer. Your boundaries become stronger. Your tolerance becomes lower. Not for people, but for misalignment. The reality. People respond to your standards, not what you say, but what you consistently allow. And when your standards are clear, behavior around you changes. Internal stability. Self-respect creates stability because your identity is no longer dependent on others. It is based on your own behavior, your own decisions, your own standards, and that stability is power. Remember something simple. You teach people how to treat you by what you tolerate, and what you tolerate becomes your standard. If you are building emotional control in a reactive world, stay here. This channel is for thinkers. Control your emotions, or they will control you.
Know your value. It's not what others tell you, it's what you know to be true. Don't let anyone diminish your worth. Let your head high in own power. You're valuable.
My value isn't defined by my past. It's defined by who I choose to be.